and it is connected with the spring, like the figure we have seen already. Like this, the spring is there and block is connected of mass that is given 200 gram. But always remember, this must be in SI unit, so it can be written as 0.2 kg. Now your force constant is given. This is K is equals to 5 Newton per meter. As you know, F is equals to, the relation is F is equals to minus Kx. So from here your K will be F by X. So its unit always be Newton per meter. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to find period. But directly there is no formula for period, but we know omega is equals to root of K by M, a relation between mass and your spring constant. So it will give me the angular velocity, angular displacement, your angular frequency. It will give me the angular frequency, which is the K will be 5 over 0.2. And if I solve this, it's going to be 50 and 225 root 5. Unit will be radian per second. Simple. But we have to find the time period. So time period will be 2 pi upon omega, which is equals to 2 pi is your value is 2 into 3.14. Omega is 5, and if you solve this, you will get 1.26 second as time period. But if someone asks you to find frequency, and we know the relation between omega is 2 pi f, so from here can I easily calculate phi is equals to omega over 2 pi. One concept is this, or if you have time period, you can simply say frequency is equals to 1 upon t, which is equals to 1 upon 1.26. So your frequency will be, if you use either of the formula, so your frequency will be 0.80. Now its unit is always hertz. Now you can see this question. In this question, a car of mass is there and constructed so that it has supported by 4 springs. Obviously car has a 4 spring due to the 4 tires. Each spring has a force constant this, and 2 people riding in the car having combined mass 160. We have to find the frequency. Spring constant for one spring is 20,000 Newton per meter, but we have 4 springs. So your effective spring constant will be, this is your effective spring constant, that is I'm writing K effective, KEFF. So it will be, see, these all spring are exactly same, so each having same force constant. So can I say it 4 times the one spring constant? So can I say it's 80,000, 4 to the 8? So also, because we need to find frequency, and frequency is related to the angular frequency also, so angular frequency is having the formula K by M, but here K is replaced by the K effective. Also your mass is the total mass here. So what is the total mass? Total mass is what? Mass of car, that is 1300, plus mass of 4 persons, so it is going to be 1460 kg, isn't it? So mass will replace by the total mass, obviously. So your K effective will be 80,000 over 1460. And when we solve this, we got the angular frequency, but we need to find the frequency only. So your frequency will be 2 pi upon omega, because not 2 pi upon omega, because you know omega is equals to 2 pi f, so it's omega over 2 pi. Obviously, what is your omega? Omega will be your 80,000 over 1460. So your frequency will be calculated from this. That is going to be 1.18 hertz. 1.18 hertz of frequency. Clear? So this is the frequency.